Hi, welcome to the Crypto Lifestyle. Here at this channel, we focus on mass adoption, decentralization, and other aspects of cryptocurrency that'll bank you coin. Now you might be saying to yourself, that's not Francis. And you're right, I'm the Crypto Lifer. I also have a YouTube channel. Please hit the link in the description and in the comment section and follow me at CryptoLifer33 on Twitter. On my channel, I go live from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 every single day, Eastern Time, Saturdays at 11 and Sundays at 8 p.m. for Bitcoin's weekly candle close. I also make content just like this video, so follow me and come check me out. I'd really appreciate it. Today, I want to go over a project that you may or may not have heard of. The reason why I want to go over this project, it has done a lot for the space. It has made a lot of people a lot of money. It has brought a lot of awesome projects to the space, and I believe it will continue to do so. That's why I want to talk about it today, and I want to get into pools.
Crypto Lifestyle, baby.
We here at the Crypto Lifestyle are not financial advisors. Nothing we say here on this channel should be taken as financial advice. Please do your own research and get yourself a financial advisor, and make sure you do your own due diligence before getting into any coin or project. So here we are at the Pools website. What is Pools? What does it do? Why is it important? Why am I talking about it? Pools is a cross-chain, decentralized IDO platform built on Web 3.0 infrastructure. It brings liquidity to smaller projects, helping get investors to project owners before listings. It really helps the space grow. Because of Pools, so many other coins are able to scale and bring their technology to the space. We need more projects like Pools, and I'm so happy that Pools is doing what they're doing. They're basically saying, hey, we got successful through the DuckDAO incubator. Now we want to incubate other projects in the similar way. We want to use our success to help other projects scale and grow and achieve their goals. I find it amazing. This is how decentralization will go across the globe with projects like Pools. So Pools is the link between project owners and early stage investors. Hands down, it's a great place to get into a project at the very early stages. So here at Pools, you can do three things: OTC deals, where investors get immediate access to your tokens; token pools, where you can specify lock-in periods after which investors receive the tokens from their swapped amount. So that way you can stop them from dumping large amounts. So you can say you get 10% now, another 10% later, and another 10% later on. They also do NFT auctions, bring demand to the NFT space with DeFi, and auction out your non-fungible tokens. Hey, they got everything covered here at Pools. When we click on Pools mainnet and see how organized their site is, I love it. It shows an IDO like this one right here, XFi, coming soon. This one's coming up, so you can get ready for your next IDO. Gives you the leaderboard, show you who's winning most of the pools, shows you the pools you're in, and there's an IDO guide. This guide is awesome. It's not that easy getting into an IDO, and you want to know the rules and things you need to do in order to get in. Now, there's two tiers with Pools allocation. There's the top 100 guaranteed tier, and then there's the pool community tier. Now, both are specified IDO allocation, but the top tier is guaranteed to be in the allocation. The base allocation for each tier will be split evenly amongst the IDO whitelisted winners. There will be a specified IDO bonus allocation set for the top 100 tier and the Pools community tier. So every pool token you hold in the Pools community tier will increase the likelihood of winning the allocation in that tier. The bonus allocation is given to the whitelisted winners in each tier, but it also depends on how much pools you hold as to how much you get of the bonus. Now, phase 1, you do have to stake your Pools tokens to be considered for the IDO. Phase 2, you can be whitelisted and you do not have to be staking your tokens. Here's the latest IDO from Pools called Eris. Let's take you through the process of joining this IDO. So here's the things you have to do to get into the IDO. First, you have to follow Pools on Twitter. Then you have to follow Aries Protocol on Twitter. Then you have to join Aries Protocol on Telegram. Then you have to fill out the whitelist here, which is going to be a sheet, which is going to ask you your allocation. It's going to ask you your Twitter, your Telegram, so they can cross-reference to make sure you did the tasks. Then you're going to stake your pools on the staking page. Then you're going to wait to see if you become one of the whitelisted winners. If that's the case, boom, you get allocation and you're ready to rock. And just a little brief into what Aries is. Aries Protocol is the first decentralized cross-chain oracle on Polkadot that implements data verification on chain. This oracle has an edge on other oracles because it's more decentralized. It has more randomness in its nodes. That gives it an edge compared to other oracles as well. But I just wanted to show you that last IDO so you can get a feel of what goes on, how to get in, how to participate, and go through it step by step. Here are some of the latest IDOs that came out on pools. You have Bot Ocean, Labs, PlayScent, and Happy. I'm going to kind of go through them all, show you what they are. I like Happy the most. I like Labs a lot too. I've covered both of these a lot on my channel and talked about them. I believe in both the projects, specifically Happy. I really, really like Happy. I want to show you these so you guys can understand what type of projects Pools is putting out there. To me, Pools has a very high standard, and the projects coming out of Pools are exceptional. Here at Bot Ocean, it's a one-stop automated trading solution for today's trader. I mean, everybody needs that. Get started in 4 simple steps. Sign up for a free account, connect your exchanges, pick your strategy, and connect and trade. It's an all-in-one trading platform, no coding strategy, a portfolio tracker, a bot marketplace, and it has premium signals. Learn how to gain an edge with Bot Ocean. I think this is really what we all need. And there's a lot of competitors in the space, but this one was really well organized. They did a good job getting themselves associated with pools and getting themselves out there. Labs, I can't say enough about Labs, end-to-end blockchain, powered real estate investment ecosystem. Labs is disrupting the whole real estate world. Why? Well, most people can't invest in $1 million apartment complex. So when you think about it, this could let people that normally don't get to invest in larger, better, more lucrative returning investments have a chance to do that. Labs is opening up real estate to the whole world. It's not just going to be these big moguls who have billions and millions of dollars that can get into real estate. Even you can get yourself involved in a giant real estate development project through Labs. I like what Labs is doing. I like the project. Big moves for Labs. This is PlayScent. The future of content is interactive. PlayScent is a blockchain-powered template-based platform allowing developers, gamers, and creators to monetize their skills. It's a template that you can use. One platform for any use case: social tokens, esports, games, mini apps, NFTs, and dApps. This is extremely unique and very important to the space. If we all can use certain templates to grow different sections of blockchain, think of how fast we can grow. I like this project a lot. My favorite of all of them, though, is Happy, the on-chain cybersecurity protocol with trustless oracles preventing hacker attacks. Data plus machine learning plus Oracle plus DAO equals first security oracle. This thing's unbelievable, bro. Sex is protected from accepting stolen funds. DEX is cut back on suspicious addresses, and crypto traders warned on high-risk coins. What else do you need? I'm happy. I'm designed for the community to fight the hackers. You'll be happy. I mean, we need more of these. These are security coins. Coins that can go through the decentralized space and find out when things are looking a little iffy and a little tricky. I like that. Happy token is something that you definitely would like to invest in. Even after the IDO, even after it went up, I really like Happy token, and I like investing in something that keeps the space safe and secure. The more safe, secure, and respected we are, the faster we can grow as a community, and the faster the whole world will respect crypto. The more projects like this we have out there, the better. You know what's crazy is while they're laundering all their money in the banking system and doing all their shady deals, they don't have anything like this. Blockchain is going to rise up above government regulations. We're going to actually be even more secure than any regulation they could have created. We're going to have it on the blockchain, ready to go, automated. It's already obvious to me that cryptocurrency and blockchain is a superior technology to anything we had in the past. Anyone that's trying to keep us secure or keep us safe and they're not using blockchain, I don't think they know what they're talking about. You can even see here at their pools plus the DAO Maker round, the allocation was 2% and the price per Happy was $10 at the time. Right now, it's at $82.88 and it went even higher to $200. I mean, that was a 20x had you taken advantage of that all-time high from the Pools IDO. Unbelievable. And I know I said it a lot, but I really like Happy, and I just want to talk about it again. I love Happy, guys, and I want to put it on your radar. Very passionate about this project. Very, very passionate about Happy. Here's another one of their latest projects, Yellow Road. And now Yellow Road is becoming a Pools of its own for Binance Smart Chain projects. It's a decentralized, community-driven based IDO platform for Binance Smart Chain. Unbelievable. So now Yellow Road is going to kind of take on the reins to help the decentralized world push forward. Yellow Road wants to empower projects, people, ideas, and ethics. How's it going to do that? Through decentralization, my friends. Yellow Road is focusing just on Binance Smart Chain IDOs. That way they form a really good trust and bond with the Binance Smart Chain community, and they also offer a wide range of funding solutions, from smart auctions to community building and engagement programs to help your project get off the ground. I like how each of these projects become successful and then launches yet another project that likes to launch other projects. Projects like these help bring new technologies to the forefront. Sometimes developers don't have the money or the know-how to scale, but they have an amazing project. Projects like these bring those projects to light. So that's it, TCLers. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is Pools in a nutshell. So jump on into Pools, get some pools, stake some pools. Join us here at the Crypto Lifestyle while we use Pools to find new IDOs and get in to those awesome pre-sales. I just want to say a big thank you to all the TCL community. I read through the comment section and the love you guys are giving me, unbelievable. Specific things about what I'm doing in the videos, my explanations, what I'm talking about. Believe me, I'm reading those comments and they're some of the nicest, most thoughtful comments I've ever read in my life. This community is strong, so amazing, and I love each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for bringing me in to the Crypto Lifestyle family. I really, really appreciate it. So that's it, folks. That's the end of the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when we post our next video. And I'll see you at the next 100X.
It's the Crypto Lifestyle, baby!